Hello, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to upload a picture into Google Classroom. I know most of us, including myself, we do not have the technology to actually write onto our computer. So this is a good way to do it until we figure out a better way. So that's what we are going to do. And the purpose of this is that you will be able to complete your math word problems on your notebook, take a nice clear picture, and upload it to your Google Classroom. All right, so actually I went into let me go back for this step. I went into the assignment, opened the assignment, and here we go. This is my assignment, and we are going to do the Russian version of it. Okay, let me read this in Russian. Well, I'll read the Russian in English. Can I do that? A loaf of bread is cut.
So, okay, that really won't work. So let's move to English. A loaf of bread is cut into slices of equal size. Some of the loaf is used in a recipe and 2/12 of the loaf is used to make a sandwich. The remaining 7/12 of the loaf is put into the refrigerator. Write and solve an equation to find the fraction of the loaf of bread that is used in the recipe. Show your working. So now I will go to my notebook and I will answer this question. So now I've completed my work for number 46 in my notebook. What I would do is take a picture of it, and when I'm done taking the picture, I click on the share button at the bottom. If you touch your screen, you will see the share button. It's shaped like a like a less than sign with little circles at the ends. So when you are done, you will email this, of course, to yourself, as I said, by clicking the share button, and then go to your email. Sometimes you might have to refresh your email, and then here it is, the email from myself, and I'm going to click on this. It may take a minute because you have a picture here. Give it a second. Here is the picture. You're going to open the picture. You can click on download here. This down arrow with the bar means download. When you click on download, you will see it would go down to the taskbar area at the bottom here. All right, and you want to click on this. It will open your picture. Oh, here's my working. All right, and now here I can do many things to it, but what I'll do, I'll right click on your mouse, right click and say save as, and then you go to your desktop and you save this on your desktop. Right, you'll have to give it a name, Mr. M Math, Mr. M. Perhaps I'm just going to call it Mr. M. So just call it your name, Mr. M. And I'm going to save this. All right, now it's saved. I'll close this. So I'll save this and then go back to the Google Classroom. But you will not be going to a window like this. You will go to your window. For the student version, it's different. It will be somewhere up here where I'm circling here, where I'm moving my cursor. It will be somewhere up here. So what you will want to do, you're going to click on add or create up here. Okay, and here's what's happening. For the teacher version of this, my stuff is down here, but I'm saying that it's going to be up here where you do the turning. That's where it's going to be. Above turning, they will have create or add. So you can click on add and click on file, and it will take you to your computer. You click on select a file, and here we go. So wherever you have that file, on my desktop, and then I search for it, Mr. M I called it. So where is it? Mr. M, somewhere here. Okay, here is it. The picture is right here, and then I double click on it. It came right here. Let me do this again. I think I went a little too fast. Let's go back for this. Select. I go on the desktop. I look for my document. Mr. M. I click on it once, or I could double click on it, or I could click on it once and click open. It comes up here, so I know it's attached. I'm going to upload it. Here we go, it's uploaded, and then I am going to say turn in. It's uploaded, then you're going to turn it in. I should have done this using the student version, but that's how you upload it. I think I showed you this already, how to submit a Google Doc, so you can check that video also. I did it from the student version of this. So yep, that's how you do it. Thank you.